Welcome dear friends, in this video we will solve objective part of CSS Mercantile Law paper of the year 2026. A voidable contract is one that can be annulled at the option of one party. Arbitration is preferred over litigation because it is binding and often confidential. A partnership firm can be registered with the Registrar of Firms. Force majeure clause excuse performance due to unforeseeable extraordinary events. Which of the following does not qualify as a negotiable instrument under the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881? Bill of Lading. In the context of the Companies Act, the audit committee of a company must be composed of at least one independent director. Under the Arbitration Act 1940, the courts may remit an award to the arbitrator for reconsideration when all of these: A is the award is indefinite or uncertain, B is the award contains an error removable without altering the decision, C is an objection to legality is apparent on the face of the award or record. Under the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881, which of the following prevents a person from becoming a holder in due course? Receiving the instrument after maturity. What is the primary distinction between a sale and an agreement to sell under the Sale of Goods Act? A sale transfers ownership immediately, while an agreement to sell transfers ownership at a future time. Under the Competition Act 2010, which of the following actions is considered an abuse of dominant position? All of these. A is limiting production or technical development, B is predatory pricing, C is discriminatory pricing. Under the Pakistan Companies Act, which of the following documents is not required to be filed with the Registrar for incorporation of a company? Certificate to share capital. Under the Consumer Protection Act 2006, the power to impose penalties for violations rests with the Consumer Court. Under which condition does a buyer have the right to reject goods under the Sale of Goods Act? If the seller delivers goods that do not conform to the contract description, breach of condition. The Electronic Transactions Ordinance 2002 primarily aims to all of these. A is legalize electronic documents and records, B is recognize electronic signatures, C is facilitate e-commerce growth in Pakistan. The primary purpose of the Electronic Fund Transfer Act 2007 is to all of these. A is regulate electronic banking transactions, B is protect consumers from unauthorized electronic transfers, C is establish rights and liabilities of financial institutions. Which of the following remedies can a consumer seek under the Consumer Protection Act 2006? All of these. A is replacement or repair of defective goods, B is refund of the price paid, C is compensation for damages. In Carlyle versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company 1893, the court held that a general offer can be accepted by anyone who fulfills its conditions. A consumer must notify the financial institution of an unauthorized electronic fund transfer within 7 days. Which of the following is considered a valid electronic signature under the Electronic Transactions Ordinance 2002? All of these. Any electronic method used to authenticate a document. B is a digital signature generated through cryptographic means. C is a secure electronic signature verified by a certificate. Which of the following is not a deceptive marketing practice under the Competition Act 2010? comparative advertising that is truthful and verifiable. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.